Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to turn your iPhone lock screen wallpaper into a pretty cool special scene in iOS 26 or later. With the introduction of iOS 26, Apple introduces an exciting new way to bring your lock screen to life through Spatial Scenes feature. This feature uses generative AI to analyze your photos, separate different elements, and create depth maps that transform a static image into a dynamic animated wallpaper. That said, let's get started. So first you have to long press anywhere on the lock screen. After that you have to choose the wallpaper that supports the special scene feature, and then you have to hit the customize button to proceed. You will now see a toggle on the customization screen that lets you quickly enable or disable the special scene effect. In the end, make sure to tap on the Done button located at the top right to finish, and that's about it. As you move your iPhone, the wallpaper shifts naturally, thereby adding depth and movement for a more immersive experience. And the best part is that the Special Scenes feature don't require Apple Intelligence at all. The feature uses generative AI to analyze your photos, identify various elements, and build depth maps that bring images to life. And unlike Apple Intelligence, it fully relies on machine learning, which makes Special Scenes compatible with iPhone 12 and later models. It's worth reiterating that the effect is best experienced firsthand. The images subtly animate as you move your iPhone, creating a pretty impressive and immersive visual experience. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it to give your lock screen a more dynamic and appealing appearance. And I'll catch you up in the next one.